I could care less
Yo,
about.
how is he so calm? How is this even happen? Why is the police even still here? Why would he even, how did he even show up to this call? Why did he show up to this call? Why did he stay on the call? Why didn't you call another officer to take the report? Like, what the fuck? What?
Look,
You're not even, you don't even have no morals. You literally standing in front of the man of the woman that you sleeping with, that she's cheating on you with.
look, I could care less about outside stuff. We're talking about what was called.
You fuck this skinny bitch and thought she was
Look,
Both of y'all.
all right. I really do not want to raise my voice.
Well, all y'all
Can we please?
Look, she gonna listen to that.
Can we please? Can we please?
very immature.
She gonna listen to this.
Look, can we?
I don't want to talk. Come on, Rocco.
So you don't.
See if I report
He
though.
have my phone.
So you want to file a report?
Yeah.
No, he have my phone. He not just about
So-
to walk
Getting
away with
abused and
my
everything.
fucking
No,
phone.
he's
Yeah,
not.
that's fine. I did. I bought you your shit because you ripped my fucking leg.
And you should have locked up right then and there.
So look,
Fuck you too. That's my phone. I just want my phone.
She just admitted to it. She just admitted to it in front of a Leo. You literally just admitted to that in front of a Leo, and he did not put you in cuffs because he fucking you.
That's it. Now go.
Crazy.
I ain't got no phone.
so sir,
Let me go in here and start touching shit, man. I'm about to fuck some shit up in here.
like I said,
I got bunny money.
like I said,
How was he letting her go up
like I
there?
said, you can't force her out of the place legally if she's stating that she lives here, and there has been evidence that she does live here.
No.